This sucks. Alright guys, welcome back. I got something in the mail today from a buddy of mine, and he said it was a hot challenge, and I don't know which hot challenge. He told me to turn my camera on and find out in person. So, let's open her up. So, I don't know who VAT19 is. Oh, so VAT19 is like a mystery gift. Okay, that's cool. I guess I have to open it up more. You know, I really want to open this, and it won't let me. There we go. I am really nervous, because it's either going to be something really dumb or something really, really hot. The heck? Oh, hell no. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. This is the world's hottest chocolate bar challenge. I've heard a lot about this challenge, and I was really, really hoping it was going to be something else. So, Scoville units, a measure of heat. For example, the highest concentration of Scoville unit is 16 million Scoville units. So that is pure capsaicin, which is what gives it, it's the oil that's in the chili that gives it the heat. And Scoville unit is measured by how many drops of like sugar water, I think, is how you test it. But it's how many drops of that water solution that it takes to dilute that heat. So for example, say like a banana pepper is like 100 to 300. So like a mild banana pepper to a hot banana pepper is about 100 to 300 Scoville units. So that means it takes about 100 to 300 drops of sugar water to dilute that banana pepper to where there's no longer any trace of capsaicin oil. So that means that this chocolate bar is 9 million Scoville units. That means it takes 9 million drops of sugar water to even come close to diluting this chocolate bar. World's hottest chocolate bar, Hellfire infused milk chocolate. I like chocolate. I'm not going to want to eat chocolate anymore. That's rude. This 12-piece chocolate bar is extremely spicy and is not to be consumed by those sensitive to spicy foods or anyone with any existing heart or respiratory conditions. The world's hottest chocolate bar has potential to cause skin or mouth irritation and should be kept out of reach of children and pets. It's like a cigarette warning. This product contains high amounts of pure chili extract and should be handled with extreme caution. Consume at your own risk. I know it's a tiny bar, and I understand that. But like, the idea behind this challenge is there's 12 little squares. And so you eat one square like per minute, and you try to see how many squares you can eat. I'm so not ready for this. So not ready for this. So here's the little chocolate bar. Very tiny, tiny chocolate. Like, I want to eat it in one bite, but it's... So the one chip challenge that I did last go around, that was the 2020 chip challenge. That was 1.5 million. This is 9 million. Okay? So this is way, this is almost 9 times hotter. Okay, right here. And it's just a little, like, the chip was like that big. This is yeah, not even half this size. Just smells like cayenne pepper. Oh, that's not good at all. No. Okay, here goes nothing. Woo! Nope. Oh. Woo! That was... Oh no. That was just... that was just one. The hiccups are worse. I'm just gonna take one more. It really... Wow. That was one of 12. Oh, I'm already crying. Oh, woo! That was 1 minute. Oh, man. Woo! It's actually not so bad, at least right now. I'm glad I didn't eat the whole thing, because now my tongue is kind of just numb. And so, yeah, it just kind of works out that way. Alright, it's been another minute. Let's put another one in. So that's 3. Woo! Yeah, it's not so bad now, because now I just can't feel anything. But I am... at least the hiccups didn't last. Oh, that's so good, though. Like now, it just, every time I eat one, it just sits there. And it kind of comes back a little bit, and I can feel it travel all the way down to my stomach. Oh, there goes my tongue. Woo! Woo! Whew. I think I can actually do this one this time. So that was 3. I don't know why I'm still talking. Oh, man. Has been another minute yet? Yep. Alright. Next. Oh, that one got caught in the back of my throat. Woo! Oh, I can do this. I can do this. This sucks. Wow. I'm definitely crying a lot more than the chip, but wow. Yeah, it's numbing, and so now it's just time waiting. Oh man. Except I can really feel it in my stomach. Oh man. This is terrible. I'm probably eating these faster than I should, but alright. Next. I'm trying to not suck on it because that's terrible. Oh, there's not everywhere. I'm just trying to give it a chew and then swallow so that it doesn't sit in my mouth too long, but it doesn't go down in one whole piece. Oh, hallelujah. It's getting hot. Oh, boy. Woo! I literally can breathe again. It's phenomenal. My stomach is really warm. That's the worst. Alright. Next. This is gonna hurt so bad later. Yeah, now I can't feel anything in my mouth. My body does. My body knows what it's doing. Woo! There's literally snot dripping out of my nose. It's disgusting. Oh. Oh, man. Woo! I'm glad the hiccups didn't last long. Because that would suck. I can do it. 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 I'm halfway there. I have 6 more squares. Oh, thank the Lord. Ew, that was gross. I don't want to wipe my nose. Ew. It's in my mouth. Ew. Yeah, well, I don't know why I did that. That was gross. But it was in my mouth. This is number 7. I'm sweating. Oh, now it just stings. You know what? You know what? You know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna do it, and I'll wait like 3 more minutes. I'm just gonna. Oh, here are you? Oh, here are you? Oh, here are you? Oh. Ah, that was such a bad idea. Holy cow. Alright. I'm gonna set a timer for 5 minutes. Oh. There we go. Timer, 5 minutes. Alright. Oh, my head is ringing. Oh my gosh. That was a terrible idea. That was a terrible idea. The snot just keeps going. How much time is it on? 30 seconds? Well, that's stupid. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, this sucks. This is definitely not as bad as the one chip though. The one chip, I just couldn't do it. I think it was the powder. It just stuck to the roof of your mouth. Now my mouth is just dry. I can't think straight. Woo! Alright. Oh, thank goodness. Woo! 2:45. Okay. I'm doing this longer than I should. I'm trying to salivate because my mouth is dry, but every time I salivate, it opens up my pores and it hurts more. I'm definitely crying a lot more too. I literally just drooling. Now I'm drilling on myself. That's disgusting. Now my chin is warm. I'm actually gonna win this one. Holy cow. Oh, a minute and a half. I don't want to swallow because it hurts. There's so much snot everywhere. I'm literally just drooling and snot everywhere. Oh, it hurts to speak. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh, 30 seconds. Oh, my phone's about to die. Woo! Come on. This is my game face. I don't know why I keep doing this. Yay! Woo! Go team. Alright. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, no. I did that for you. Okay? I did. It's not flavored milk. Well, I don't know if I can eat chocolate for a while. Actually, I want yogurt. That's what I want. Oh, that was the move. Oh, yeah. Oh, that works so much better than milk. Woo! Wow. Okay. Well, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and on that note, guys, peace out.